Your neighbors can see everything. Your fence is bare, your backyard feels completely exposed, and every time you step outside, you feel like you are on display. The good news? Nature has already solved this problem, and the solution is more beautiful than any wooden fence or concrete wall you could ever build. Flowering vines are one of the most underused secrets in senior gardening. They climb, they bloom, they give you privacy, and most of them practically take care of themselves. If you have ever wanted a backyard that feels like a private garden retreat, this is the video for you. Welcome back to Seniors Gardening Advice, the channel made for gardeners who want beautiful results without breaking their backs. Sam here, and before we get into all 25 of these gorgeous vines, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss a gardening tip. And when you find a vine that excites you, drop its name in the comments below. We love hearing what grows in your garden. If this is helpful, please share it with a fellow gardener who needs more privacy and more color in their life. Now, let us understand something important before we dive in. Vines climb in different ways. Some, like Wisteria and Clematis, use twisting tendrils that wrap around supports. Others, like climbing hydrangea, use aerial roots that stick directly to walls and rough surfaces. Knowing this helps you match the right vine to the right structure, whether that's a fence, a trellis, a pergola, or an arbor. A good support structure is the foundation of success. Once that's in place, these plants do the rest of the work for you. Let us count them all down. Flowering vine number 1. Climbing roses. There is nothing quite like the sight of roses climbing across a fence or spilling over a garden arch. The Blaze Improved Climbing Rose produces bold red double blooms and reaches up to 15 feet tall and 8 feet wide. Train the main cane horizontally, it will actually produce more flowers that way, creating a wider wall of color and coverage. Zones 5 to 9. Flowering vine number 2, Wisteria. Wisteria is one of those plants that stops people in their tracks. The cascading lilac purple blooms hanging from a pergola or archway look almost dreamlike. The summer cascade variety is cold hardy down to zone 4, making it one of the toughest of this type. One important note, Wisteria can take 3 to 5 years to bloom after planting, but while you wait, it gives you a lush green screen of foliage. Well worth the patience. Zones 4 to 8. If you are learning something new, tap the like button. It helps more seniors find this channel.
Flowering vine number 3, Clematis. Clematis is perhaps the most popular flowering vine for a reason. It is easy to grow, comes in dozens of colors, and climbs moderate heights without getting out of control. The Sparky series blooms early in the season with spiky, star-shaped flowers in pink, purple, and blue. Unlike other varieties, it doesn't even need pruning. Simply plant it against a trellis or railing and enjoy the show year after year. Clematis grows at a good moderate speed and is easy to support with garden trellis or wires. Zones 5 to 8. Flowering vine number 4, Black-Eyed Susan vine. If you want fast color that lasts from spring all the way through frost, the Lemon Appeal Black-Eyed Susan vine delivers bright yellow blooms on a vigorous climbing plant that will happily cover any structure you give it. It is technically an annual in most zones, which makes it perfect for experimenting. Plant it fresh each spring and enjoy a brand new burst of sunshine every year. Zones 10 to 11, grown as an annual in all zones.
Flowering vine number 5, Bittersweet. Most people overlook bittersweet, and that is a mistake. The Autumn Revolution variety is a cultivated North American native that produces beautiful blooms and vibrant orange berries in fall and winter, when most other plants have gone quiet. Unlike other bittersweet varieties, this one does not need a second plant nearby to produce fruit. It has what botanists call perfect flowers, meaning it pollinates itself. The fall color and disease-resistant foliage make it a true four-season performer. Zones 2 to 8. Flowering vine number 6, Mandevilla. The sun parasol apricot mandevilla is a tropical beauty that blooms continuously through the warm season in full sun. Its large trumpet-shaped flowers in soft apricot tones bring a resort-like feel to any backyard. In cooler climates, bring it indoors before the first frost and it will survive the winter as a houseplant, ready to go back outside the following spring. Zones 10 to 11. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not already. New gardening content every week made just for seniors like you. Flowering vine number 7, Holbolia vine. This one is lesser known but absolutely worth planting. The Heavenly Ascent Holbolia is an evergreen vine with glossy foliage and large white flowers in spring that produce a powerful fragrance. Because it stays green year-round, it gives you privacy in every season, not just during summer. It can climb up to 20 feet tall with the right support. Zones 8 to 10. Flowering vine number 8, Climbing hydrangea. Climbing hydrangea is one of the most rewarding vines for patient gardeners. It grows slowly for the first couple of years as it establishes its roots. Then it takes off dramatically, climbing up to 50 feet tall and producing large lace cap-style white blooms that make any wall look romantic and lush. It is hardy in zones 4 through 9 and native to Asia. It clings to surfaces with aerial rootlets, so it can climb brick walls, stone, and wood without any extra help. Zones 4 to 9. Flowering vine number 9, Trumpet vine. Trumpet vine is a hummingbird magnet, and if you want those little jewels visiting your garden all summer long, this is the vine to plant. The Balboa Sunset variety produces clusters of deep reddish-orange tubular flowers from summer through fall. Once established, it thrives on near total neglect and blooms profusely. Use it to cover a lattice, a pergola post, or a plain wooden fence. Zones 4 to 11. Flowering vine number 10, Coral honeysuckle, Major Wheeler. Major Wheeler honeysuckle is one of the best all-around vines for privacy. It is fast-growing, mildew-resistant, and produces blazing red and gold blooms from summer well into autumn. The stems turn from red-purple to a greenish-brown with age, adding visual texture even in the colder months. Lonicera vines are heat-tolerant and virtually indestructible, a delight for gardeners. Zones 4 to 8. Enjoying the list? Please share this with a friend or family member who loves to garden. Flowering vine number 11, Carolina Jessamine. If you want fragrant yellow flowers in late winter and early spring before most plants have even woken up, Carolina Jessamine is your answer. This vine is evergreen to semi-evergreen depending on your zone, which means it keeps your fence looking full and green even through winter. It climbs beautifully over arbors, trellises, and fences without overwhelming nearby plants. One important note, this plant is mildly toxic if ingested, so keep it away from pets and grandchildren. Zones are 7 to 9. Flowering vine number 12, Five-leaf akebia, chocolate vine. The nickname says it all. This vine produces dangling stalks of deep purple flowers that carry a genuine chocolate-like scent, something completely unique in the gardening world. The blue-green foliage is attractive all season, and if you plant 2 of them nearby, they will produce edible seed pods that purportedly taste similar to tapioca pudding. It spreads vigorously, so give it space. Zones are 5 to 9. Flowering vine number 13, Star Jasmine. Star Jasmine is one of the most beloved fragrant vines in the world, and for good reason. The honeyed vanilla scent of its white pinwheel flowers is intoxicating and strong enough to fill your backyard.
The scent is especially intense in the evenings, making it a superb choice for a patio or seating area. It can grow up to 30 feet tall with support and keeps its leaves year-round in warmer zones. Water it regularly while establishing, especially in hotter climates. Zones are 8 to 11.
Flowering vine number 14, Morning Glory. Morning Glory blooms open with the sunrise and close by afternoon, making each morning in your garden feel like a small celebration. The heavenly blue variety produces bold sky blue flowers in early fall that are truly stop-shopping. In warmer zones, these grow as perennials. In cooler areas, they're easy to grow annuals. Morning Glories grow quickly from seed, making them one of the most affordable privacy solutions on this list. Zones 2 to 11. Flowering vine number 15, Bougainvillea. Bougainvillea is the vine that makes whole neighborhoods look like they're on vacation. Its magenta, pink, red, orange, and purple bracts bloom almost year-round in warm climates. It requires full sun and dry soil, with pruning after flowering to encourage new growth. In cooler zones, plant it in containers so you can bring it inside for winter. Remarkably, it actually thrives on a little neglect. Less water and poorer soil often produce more flowers. Zones 4 to 11, container. If this video is helping your garden plants, please like and comment below with your growing zone. Sam would love to know where you're gardening from. Flowering vine number 16, False Hydrangea, or Flirty Girl. The Flirty Girl false hydrangea is a climbing hydrangea variety, perfectly suited for shaded areas of the garden. Most vines struggle in shade. This one embraces it. Its bold, creamy white blooms appear in summer, and the vine can reach an impressive 50 feet tall, giving you serious privacy coverage, even in the darker corners of your backyard. Zones 5 to 9.
Flowering vine number 17, Cypress Vine. The red cypress vine is a charming and easy-to-grow annual vine with delicate fern-like foliage and bright red star-shaped flowers. It can grow over 15 feet tall in a single season and attracts hummingbirds like few other plants. Plant it at the base of a fence or mailbox post and watch it transform that space within weeks. Zones 6 to 11. Flowering vine number 18, Moonflower. Where morning glory greets the dawn, moonflower rules the night. The giant white moonflower opens its enormous 6-inch blooms at sunset, filling the evening air with a sweet fragrance. This makes it the perfect vine for anyone who loves to spend time in their backyard after dinner. It can grow to 10 feet tall quickly and thrives in almost every hardiness zone. Zones 3 to 12. Flowering vine number 19, Sweet Pea. Sweet peas have been beloved by gardeners for generations, and the climbing varieties offer both beauty and height. The Eckford's Finest mix produces a gorgeous range of colors on vines that grow up to 5 feet tall. They are annuals that thrive in almost every zone and have a delicate, old-fashioned fragrance that makes cutting flowers for the home table a true pleasure. When selecting sweet peas for privacy, always choose a climbing variety specifically. Some sweet peas stay low and bushy. Zones 2 to 11. Flowering vine number 20, Cup and Saucer Vine. The cup and saucer vine, Cabea scandens, is a fast-growing climber that earns its name from its bell-shaped flowers, which start out pale green and gradually deepen to rich purple as they mature. This color-changing quality makes it endlessly interesting. It blooms in late summer and attracts hummingbirds regularly, perfect for covering a trellis or arbor quickly. Zones 9 to 11. Flowering vine number 22, Blue Sky Vine. A cousin of the black-eyed Susan, the blue sky vine, Thunbergia grandiflora, is an evergreen climber that produces stunning, large cup-shaped flowers in a vivid sky blue, a color that is genuinely rare among flowering vines.
It can put on 8 feet of growth in a single season in the right conditions. It prefers warm or mild climates and is perfect for covering a large pergola or garden wall quickly. Zones 10 to 11. We are almost to the end. Please subscribe so you never miss content like this from Seniors Gardening Advice. Flowering vine number 22, Canary Creeper. Named for its bright yellow flowers that resemble the outstretched wings of a canary, the canary creeper, Tropelium peregrinum, is a pollinator paradise. Butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds all visit it regularly. The flowers contrast beautifully against its dark blue-green leaves and bloom throughout summer. It prefers mild coastal-style climates and is a wonderful choice for anyone wanting to support local pollinators while adding color to a fence or trellis. Zones 9 to 10.
Flowering vine number 23, Spitfire, Climbing Nasturtium. Also called the climbing nasturtium, Spitfire produces fiery red blooms from spring through fall on a compact vine, perfect for shorter trellises, garden tripods, or container supports. Here is something truly special about this plant. Almost the entire vine is edible. The flowers and leaves have a peppery watercress-like flavor, and with a touch of honey, the flowers taste remarkable. Add them to salads, use them as garnishes, or just enjoy them in the garden. Zones 9 to 11. Flowering vine number 24, Cross Vine. The cross vine, Bignonia capreolata, is a native of the central and southern United States, and it is built for serious coverage. It gets its name from the cross-shaped pattern visible when you cut through a stem. It is a fast grower with large evergreen leaves and vibrant red, orange, and yellow blooms from spring through summer. With potential growth up to 50 feet tall, this vine means business when it comes to creating privacy. Zones 5 to 9. Flowering vine number 25, Firecracker Vine. The final vine on our list ends with a dramatic flourish. The firecracker vine, also called the Spanish flag vine, produces blooms that open a bold red and gradually fade through orange to pale yellow, creating a stunning gradient of color on every single stem at once. It blooms from midsummer through the first frost and grows up to 16 feet tall. In warmer climates, it returns every year. In cooler zones, replanted each spring for a fresh season of fireworks. Zones 10 to 11.
One more thing before you go. Pro tips for planting vines. A few things that make a big difference. Always install your support structure before you plant the vine, not after. Match the vine's style to your structure type. Twining vines like Clematis and Wisteria need something to wrap around. Adhesive vines like climbing hydrangea can grab directly onto walls. Mulch around the base of all vines to hold moisture and keep weeds away. Feed with a high potassium fertilizer rather than a nitrogen-heavy one. Too much nitrogen pushes leafy green growth at the expense of flowers. And never feed perennial vines after September, as tender new growth will suffer when cold weather arrives. Annual vines are the fastest route to quick privacy coverage. They can grow from seed to full height in one season. Perennial vines are slower to establish, but reward you with more coverage and deeper root systems every year. Evergreen vines like Star Jasmine and Carolina Jessamine are the gold standard for year-round privacy because they never go bare. That is all 25 flowering vines for beauty and privacy in your backyard. Whether your garden is large or small, sunny or shaded, there is a perfect vine somewhere on this list that will transform your outdoor space into something truly special. If you found this valuable, please like this video, leave a comment with your favorite vine from the list, and most importantly, share this with a fellow gardening friend who deserves a more beautiful and private backyard. And if you have not yet subscribed to Seniors Gardening Advice, now is the perfect moment. Sam will see you in the next one. Happy growing!